Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Ethiopian Agash. Today's video is extremely exciting for me because my little baby girl is turning 1 and I get to do her birthday decor. I hope you will like it. Make sure you tune in until the end. So now let's get to it. My daughter's birthday theme is a mixture of ivory, light pink, blush, gold, and rose gold. I got this floral mat, the stems, the tall flower vase, the green and rose gold garland along with the Precut tulle from Michaels, the high chairs from IKEA, and the rest of the stuff is from Walmart, which are happy birthday balloon banner, the #1 gold foil balloon, tablecloths, plates, utensils, and the helium kit. Whatever I can find, I'll make sure to link it for you. If I can't find the same exact one, I will link similar ones for you.
There are times I believe I can change and be the man just for you. Like a flash of the future, I see our sons and daughters too. Tomorrow, spin your sorrow, let the games begin. Reach out of your bed, come out ahead, don't dwell within.
So I'll start by getting this happy birthday banner ready. I found this so easy to get this up. You don't need helium at all. And then I'll move on to inflating the #1 balloon and the regular balloons using my helium kit. For my balloon bouquet, I'm using 6 gold, 6 white, 2 light pink, and #1 gold foil balloon. It is my first time owning this helium kit, and you guys, it made it so much easier for me to get my balloons ready in such a short period of time.
Everyone has heard how it changes your life, that delivery bird.
We decided to use this wall to put our floral mat on. Dan helped me move the sofa to the opposite side already, and next I'll be moving on to decorating the wall.
Little light of my life, little sun in my sky.
I know it will not be easy to label the floral mat on the wall, so your girl is using the wall art before taking it down as a starting point to put up 1 floral mat above it, and then I will use that level to work my way down and to the side. I'll be using 4 floral mats horizontal and 5 vertical. I'll be using these push pins to attach the floral mats to the wall. There are 4 levels. The first level I used the light pink floral matte. Second level I used the blush. Third and fourth level I used the ivory floral matte. You guys, I cannot wait for you to see how it looks like at the end. Make sure you tune in until the end, and if you like what you saw so far, give this video a big thumbs up, share, and consider subscribing if you're new. I am putting up the green garland now, and next we'll put up the gold happy birthday balloon banner. I'll move on to decorating the table. This iridescent tablecloth is so beautiful. It complements the floral wall and will work very well with the stems. I added the gold tablecloth to the side to cover the table all around. I was undecided whether to put the gold or the iridescent tablecloth forward, but I like the iridescent better, and that's what I'm going for. I will use regular clear tape to attach the 2 tablecloths together to give it a smooth table skirt look. You guys, I love these tall flower vases, and the stems are so beautiful. The light pink, the blush, the gold, the ivory, and the rose gold went very well together. I'm happy how the bouquet turned out. I'll put the bouquet on each side of the table.
I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding.
I am putting this rose gold garland around the vases, and I love how it looks.
Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
I got this beautiful crystal cake stand as a wedding gift years ago. This glass candle holders and the golden candle stands are from Target. I got this unique serving bowls from Home Goods a few months ago, and I love them. They're gold and beautiful. I got this beautiful rose gold cups from Nordstrom Rack a few years ago. The golden plastic utensils and the paper plates are from Walmart. This golden tray is from IKEA, and the two picture frames, I got them a while back from, I believe, TJ Maxx or HomeGoods. The tea candles and this #1 candle is from Walmart, and finally this cute, super cute lighter is from Amazon.
Show me what it's like to be.
I will use this Precut tool to decorate the high chair I got from IKEA and put the sparkly happy birthday crown I got from Walmart on top of the high chair table.
You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted.
There's a button on this crown that you can turn on and off. My daughter loved this so much. She was just playing with it the whole time. I am using this decorative suitcases I got from HomeGoods a few months ago to put the balloon bouquet on it, and we'll be done with the decor, but not done with the video yet. Tune in as I will show you the details of the decor and then the cake and all the goodies. So tune in until the end.
And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
The cake we have here is called Diplomatica, which is the most favorable cake in our family. This was the same cake we had for our wedding day, and I got cookies, cupcakes, and my toddler's favorite chocolate here, and I'll light up the candles.
You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down.
I tell you guys, we had so much fun and everyone liked the decor. It was such a small birthday party because of the quarantine, but we made sure we gave our daughter the best birthday ever. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video today and took 1 or 2 ideas on how you could decorate for a birthday party, baby shower, wedding shower, or any other party. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Until I see you on my next video, this is Ethiopia saying goodbye.
No one take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly.